Here's how to use conditional formatting in LibreOffice Calc. Select the range of cells you want to format. Go to Format, click Conditional, then select Condition. In the pop-up window, set your condition, for example, greater than, and enter your value. Under Apply Cell Style, choose a style from the drop-down, for example, Good, which highlights cells in green. Click OK. To add a second rule, select your range again, go to Format, Conditional, Condition, and set your next condition, for example, less than 50. Choose Bad as the cell style, which highlights in red. Click OK. Your cells will now be automatically highlighted based on their values, making important data stand out instantly. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.